Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to Junk Journal July day 24. Today's prompt is eternal. For today's prompt I had to again think a bit about what I wanted to do. It was not one of the prompts that I had something in mind when I read through them in the beginning of July, but I feel like at the moment with each day I'm getting there that I need some more time to think and some more inspiration to get something out of it. So my inspiration is running a bit low at the moment, but I found this perfectly fitting old illustration of the star dome, and now I'm trying to figure out which page in my junk journal would be the perfect one to add this post into. The free pages in my junk journal are also getting a bit rarer now. It's fine because we only have 7 days left, but it gets harder to find the next page that I want to fill. So I'm flipping back and forth here a bit because I didn't fill my junk journal in a chronological order, and so now I'm deciding here on the page that is white and mostly blank on the one side and has the beautiful music notes on the other side. And also found this really white, kind of washed out artsy portrait photo that I thought would also fit the theme of today's prompt, so I'm trying to include that, rip a bit into the paper and cut out the girl to make it part of today's collage. How is your junk journal July going? Are you still going strong, or did you found a bit of creative fatigue like I feel today? I'm absolutely going to push through it, and I'm really happy that I did push through it today because I really like the result of today's spread, and I think it's what makes your creative muscles stronger if you push through those art blocks and keep going and creating anyways. So we will keep going, and I hope you are all still going strong with your Junk Journal July journey, or you are just enjoying watching us create the Junk Journal July prompts. If you are taking part in the journey, let me know in the comments down below how is your day 24 feeling. I hope you are enjoying spending some creative time with me, as well as all the other fellows in the community. It's absolutely lovely to see all the beautiful videos and all the different ideas for each prompt each day. It's so nice to watch all the different videos and look through the posts on Instagram, and I'm really happy that I took the time to take part in this challenge today. I hope you enjoyed spending some creative time with me and also enjoyed watching this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below. Until tomorrow, happy journaling!